Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm here today with a Mother's Day card. This is part of Stamp Play, which is hosted by Susan at Susan's Heartstrings. I love her channel, and I appreciate her hosting this open collaboration to show off our stamped creations. So I stamped a flower on the envelope, and then I stamped a larger spray on the card front. I used gold embossing powder, and then I did a sentiment from the same set in Distress Embossing Glaze and Picked Raspberry. So the watercoloring of the flowers was a very easy watercoloring using Distress watercolor crayons. I also have got an inside sentiment, and on the back of the card, Handmade in Texas. No harm in spreading the love, so I made a card for my own mother. I'm fortunate that she is still with us. I also made one for my mother-in-law. I also made one for my friend Denise's mom, Mrs. Lewis. She's mom adjacent. And for my friend Patty, I'm not entirely confident her adult children will send her a card. Felt like there was no harm in spreading the love, and I enjoyed the stamping and watercoloring of these beautiful flowers. So I certainly have enjoyed seeing everyone's stamped creations who's participating in Stamp Play, and I hope that you will check out Susan's Stamped Creations. I have linked her channel in the description box below. And I hope that you have a wonderful Mother's Day and a wonderful crafty day. Thanks for joining me.